Hello everybody, my name is 𝒩𝓐𝓐 and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a skincare video, as you can see. So let's get started. First thing, I need to change. You guys know my lips get dry very easily, so I'll be using the Vaseline Lip Therapy, the cocoa butter flavor, on my lips. I don't like cracking lips at all. I pre-made this mask. This is the Bentonite and charcoal mask. I mainly use this mask for my face. I used activated charcoal and bentonite clay, and of course you mix it with water. And don't forget to drink your water, okay? Water is good for your skin. I'm just using a little face spoolie to apply the mask to my face. I mean, it doesn't smell amazing, but it does the trick. As you can see, I'm just applying it, making sure it's applied everywhere. And I feel like don't rush it. If you don't have a face mask spoolie, use those fingers. There's absolutely nothing wrong with using your fingers. I feel like sometimes using your fingers does a better job. So I'm just making sure to apply it all over my face. For some odd reason, I like applying it on my eyebrows too, because this is not a peeling mask, so I know when it's dry and I need to take it off, my eyebrows are still going to be there. We don't play with the brows. Look at me looking like an all black mamba. Now I'll wait till it's dry. Now I'm just gonna wash my face off. All clean. For my face wash, I use the Environ Focus Clarity Plus Cebu Wash Gel Cleanser, and this I did off camera. Once again, going in with that Vaseline Lip Therapy. We don't want any cracker-lacking lips. Then to tone my face, I'm using the Environ Focus Clarity Plus Cebu Tone Clarifier. Just applying that all over a cotton pad and just distributing it all over my face. And don't forget your neck, okay? There's always gotta be a little dirt, but why? Yuck! At least I know my face is clean and toned. Then I use the Environ Focus Clarity Cebu Lac Lotion and Cebu Ace Oil together. So it's 2 drops of the Lac Lotion and 2 drops of the Ace Oil. And I mix it all together and I pat it all over my face. Skincare Clarity Plus Cebu Spot Blemish Gel. I just distribute this gel all over my blemishes and any spots that I have around my face and on my face. I use my castor oil, and the castor oil I literally just put on my eyelashes and on my eyebrows. This is my normal everyday skincare routine if I'm not going out or not applying makeup. Then last but not least, we go in with the rose water. And I spray my whole face. I drench my whole face in this because it smells divine and it feels very refreshing. This is it. This is my everyday skincare routine when I don't plan on putting on any makeup. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Bye.